Let's be honest, searching for sources isn't anyone's favorite part of school. But with the DACC Library's Search Everything tool, it doesn't have to be painful. Let me show you how to make it work for you. Start on the DACC Library homepage and click the Search Everything box. That launches Primo, our library's all-in-one search tool. Try a basic search, say, health and pesticides. You'll get a big number at the top. That's your total results. It might feel overwhelming, but you've got filters to help with that. On the left, you'll see different limiters. These will help you zero in on what you actually need. You can filter by material type, like books, articles, or videos, date range to make sure you're using current resources, and even peer-reviewed to make sure you're getting scholarly sources. There are even more limiters than this, so play around with different combinations to see how it affects the number of results you get and how relevant they are to your topic. Search results can include all kinds of stuff: full-text articles, ebooks, streaming videos, and more. Just click on the title to open the full record. If it's online, click to read or download. If it's a physical item, you'll see request options. While physical materials may live at a specific location, pickups and returns can happen at any library within the DACC NMSU library system. Want to come back later or share it with a study buddy? Use the permalink button to copy a stable link, the pin icon to save to a folder, or the citation button to generate a quick citation in APA, MLA, or Chicago style. Just double check the formatting. It's not always perfect. One thing to remember, this isn't Google. You'll get better results if you use Boolean logic. That means using operators like and, or, and not to get better results. For example, searching health and pesticides or agricultural runoff will generate results that have to do with health and either pesticides or agricultural runoff. Why use library sources instead of just Googling? Because we pay for access to high-quality, often peer-reviewed scholarly resources that you can't find for free online. Plus, you won't get stuck behind paywalls or unreliable blogs. Still stuck? That's okay. Use our Ask a Librarian chat, drop by, or send us an email. We love helping students find what they need. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.